Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. I'm Larry in Fort Worth, Texas. Today is mail call day. So, let's see what's in here of this envelope. And this one comes from, would you like to pronounce the name? A&B Rustic. Hint, hint.
Oh, A&B Rustic Relics.
There you go. Yes, yes. From me to you. So, Brad, very cool. Now, I will do a full review on this and let you know what's going on. Okay. And I'll let you see the little note he puts in there. Okay. So, enjoy your pen, Larry. Good. Cool. I will. So, for those of you that are new or not new, you can find the name?
A&B Rustic Relics.
And Brad is the man that leads that. You can find him, just type that in and Google it, and it'll take you to his store. He's got all kinds of cool stuff. Vintage, baby. We're talking about some cool stuff. And here's one I bought from him that I will be reviewing. Okay. Now, this is really cool. I will give a full review on it, but it's different. This is a Parker. Again, one of my favorite vintage pens. But not just any Parker. It has a felt tip on it. And then there is the cartridge pulled out. So, this is going to be an interesting review. This is my first Parker felt tip that I've ever had in my hands. And when I saw Brad had this, I said, you know what? I need to get that pen. Not only is it Parker and vintage, but it's a felt pen. And I've been doing some reviews already for those who hang out with me with Ukers felt tips. So, and I have some other felt tips that I've shown, but this is going to be very interesting. So I've got my homework for this pen to do. So my friends, that's going to wrap it up. And again, Brad, it's here, it's home, it's safe, and we'll be doing a review shortly. Thank you for joining me today on Larry's Fountain Pen Review. I don't know about you guys, but hey, it's rock and roll fountain pens, inks, papers. I just have a blast. I mean, this is my heart. This is what I love doing, okay? So, and if you're into fountain pens, you know where I'm coming from. Thank you for joining me today. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget to hit that little bell. It'll notify you when I load up another video. So, you like vintage? Well, here's another vintage. I've been doing quite a bit of vintage lately, and I've got a Waterman coming up soon as well. And I believe I have another Parker coming up, and that's going to be really interesting. And I'll tell you later. God bless you, everybody. Take care, and don't text and drive. Bye-bye.